News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, we had a lot of dry hours, at least for a while today. We could fit some of the Memorial Day plans in, but yeah, the thunderstorms are coming into downtown Lafayette right now. You can see that on our Renaissance cam. We can see that on Precision too. Now we've got scattered storms mainly in the viewing area, specifically here Lafayette, West Lafayette, but here's where the storms are a little bit more organized. Hoopeston now approaching Pine Village, and also a little segment of a line now approaching Fountain County. Those two areas are a little bit more organized, and they may have an isolated severe gust or two with them. But even out ahead of this, these scattered storms may put out an isolated severe gust, and with a warm front around you, you've always got to watch for brief little rain-wrapped tornadoes. Even if they're very weak and isolated, I've seen them happen more than once with these. There are the storms coming into Lafayette, West Lafayette right now. These are kind of moving northeastward with time. We've had heavy storms around Pine Village. East of there, we've also got other scattered storms running from Kokomo and also Frankfort moving northeastward. And then down towards Lebanon as well. And then there's that other line segment that may have a damaging gust or two coming into Fountain County. So bottom line is, to the evening, we're going to have some storms around. I can't rule out isolated severe weather with these. And then eventually these will pull out. The back edge is just at about Decatur right now. So these will shut off, and then watch for perhaps a few more storms tomorrow morning as the warm front lifts northward. And a couple of those may be severe too. Once we get that out of here, it's just going to be a windy, hot, humid rest of the week with storms Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday with a severe weather threat. Tonight we'll drop into the 60s. Tomorrow we'll be in the 80s. 85 Lafayette, 85 Attica, 82 Winamac, and 87 Ladoga and Covington. Hot on Wednesday, humid too, but no rain to speak of. 85 to 90 for the high, 88 Lafayette, 86 Monticello, and 88 at Crawfordsville. So the storms we've got out there now, we're going to have this evening, those pull away. Notice we're in a lull overnight. Then as the warm front slowly lifts northward, it's right along that warm front. There could be a few storms later tonight, tomorrow morning. They may even evolve a little bit into a little bit of a cluster of storms. Then we get those out of here, and then it dries out, and it's just going to be a windy, humid, hot rest of the week. So isolated severe this evening, and then as we get into early tomorrow morning, isolated severe as well. And it's right along that warm front lifting northward, and south of that warm front, it's summertime. Notice in the 7-day forecast how we warm up to right around 90 Thursday, 90 on Friday, 88 Saturday. Storms developing. Some of those could be severe. A couple morning showers on Sunday with 73, and then 77 on Monday with storms that night. So it's going to get much hotter once we get the warm front through and get the storms out of here. So be prepared for heat indices well into the 90s.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chad. Well,
Okay.
some baseball got in just in time for the rain.
Yes.